Welcome to this video on GAAP Advisors channel. GAAP Advisors reviews Ind AS financial statements on request basis and on suo motu basis. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 109, that is on financial instruments. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find this video useful, please contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A listed company in its published financial statements has aggregated interest accrued on investments in debentures or bonds measured at fair value through other comprehensive income with other financial assets. In our view, this is not in accordance with Ind AS 109. The reason for the same is explained in the next slide. Para 5711 of Ind AS 109 explains that if a financial asset is measured at fair value through other comprehensive income in accordance with Para 412A, the amounts that are recognized in profit or loss are the same as the amounts that would have been recognized in profit or loss if the financial asset had been measured at amortized cost. Therefore, a financial asset measured at FVOCI in accordance with Para 412A follows a dual measurement model. The financial asset is measured at fair value in balance sheet, whereas in profit or loss, interest is recognized based on effective interest method. First, the financial asset is measured at amortized cost, which includes interest accrued. The effective interest on the financial asset is recognized in profit or loss. Second, the amortized cost is compared with fair value at the end of the reporting period. The financial asset is measured at fair value, and the difference between the amortized cost and fair value is recognized in OCI. Therefore, the aggregation of interest accrued with other financial assets is not proper for financial assets measured at fair value through other comprehensive income in accordance with Para 412A of Ind AS 109. Therefore, the company has not complied with Ind AS 109. Due to this non-compliance, all components of financial statements except statement of cash flows have been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP Advisors, you may mail them in PDF in your publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.